I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Thank you for your love in my previous video. I do appreciate it. Thanks to my subscribers. I'm just sending a very big and a massive thanks to you guys. You guys are wonderful. You guys are amazing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for doing all those good stuff for my channel. You know what I mean? Thank you. To my new subscribers, you're welcome. Making our local bean cake. It's called Akara in our local language. Basically, Akara is made from beans. See guys, I'm making this from the scratch. Like, I'm not using bean powder. I'm going to show you, I'm going to take you guys through the process step by step. I'm going to show you guys step by step process of making the Akara from the scratch. So is I have to blend it, just a slight blend. If I blend the beans, I will soak it in the water. I will soak it in water for like 10 minutes. Then I'll wash it off. The chaff will just go off instantly. Just watch me do the magic, okay? So by the way, I already have my beans inside the blender. What I will do now is just to cover it up. Just like I said, it just requires a slight blend. No need of blending it into a powder form. Just once you turn on your blender, it shouldn't be more than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute, it's done. Take it out from this. Then soak it in the water. So guys, this is a tip to get a soft Akara. You have to soak this in water for like 10 to 15 minutes max. 10 to 15 minutes. Everything, the chaff, everything will go off. All you need to do is just add another water, wash it. So guys, I'm done washing the beans now. It didn't take much of the time. So I'm supposed to use fresh pepper though, but there's no fresh pepper available. So I'm just going to use blended, dried pepper for it. The pepper has been blended separately, so this is just the beans and onions, 1 bowl of onions. So what I will do now is I'll go ahead to blend this. Yeah, I'm done with the blending, and this is the consistency you should look out for. It shouldn't be so thick, neither should it be so watery. I've added the pepper, blended pepper and salt to taste. Those are the basic ingredients you need for this Akara bean cake. So I'll go ahead and fry it. Already my frying oil, my frying pan is already on fire, so I'll go ahead and fry that up. As you can see, the oil is ready now, and I'll go ahead and scoop the batter, the bean batter, into the oil like so. You should ensure that the oil doesn't overheat, because the Akara won't cook very well. So allow it to fry to light golden brown before you flip it over. So the Akara is doing well. I have to flip it over now. You can see how delicious it's looking. You allow the other side to as well cook to light to golden brown, then you bring it out from fire. So let's check it. See, this is how to make your perfect Akara at home. So I'll go ahead now and take them off from the fire.
So I will add the remaining one.
Just like the first one, once the golden brown, you flip it to the next side, and that's it. So this is perfectly cooked now. I'll take it off now. Akara is ready. Trust me, this akara tastes so nice. Like, it's so delicious. You need to try it, man. You really need to try it. So you can serve this with pap, custard, or soft drink, any drink of your choice, or you can serve with bread. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you do try out this akara recipe. It's nice, it's really delicious, trust me on that. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Please don't forget to comment, share, like, do all of those good stuff. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.